Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Monopoly Go account. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So let's jump straight into it. So before we begin, I just want to make it clear that if you have been using a guest account, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to recover it. This is only going to work if you have a GUT account connected. So in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is load up Monopoly Go and click onto the menu in the top right corner. Next, what you want to do is come down and press on settings. And then from here, you want to press onto the customer service button. So what's going to happen is it's going to take you to across a page like this. Now what you want to do from here, you can press onto any of these articles. It doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to press onto the top one. How can I contact customer support? And then from here, what you're going to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of this article, and you're going to see a button which says chat with us. So what you want to do is press onto the chat with us button. And what it's going to do is actually load up a live chat with an agent. So what you can now do is go ahead and explain that basically you have lost your account or you would like to recover your account. You would do that through here, and what would happen next is they would go you through the steps to recover your accounts. So that's how you go ahead and recover your account in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.